talking about a 3D versus a 5D perspective. There is an amazing entity, a spiritual object known to mankind as MAGA, Make America Great Again. This power center of energy ripples throughout humanity, ripples throughout America, ripples throughout families, ripples throughout our own heads, trying to sort things out. If you believe that one side is right and the other side is wrong, that's the 3D perspective. When you listen to both sides argue, allow both sides to have their say, listen, ask questions, be open-minded, especially with those with whom you disagree. When you listen to both sides, you listen to the arguments for on both sides, you listen to the arguments against on both sides, you start to see the entire MAGA phenomenon from a 5D perspective. And from there, we see where we're voting and what we're voting for, who we're voting for, why we're voting for. I have no agenda in that voting system. I'm only pointing out the 5D perspective on what's actually happening on a vote that's taking place soon. The Spiritual Quest.